probably been like.
And as soon as he saw us, he got up and he wasn't happy with us. He just turned and left. And
Yeah.
oh my God.
Yes, yeah, that's what I was talking about. That's other weavers, they're not parasitic and they don't cause harm to any other birds.